everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Megan and my husband John is not here today. I'm going to be doing the video all by myself. Welcome to the channel, and please, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. And we're going to talk about like 6 items that we sold today. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you would, be sure to go down and uppercut the like button and karate chop the subscribe button. Thank you. We'll be right back in just a brief moment after these commercial advertisements. Thank you. Okay, everybody. I hope you guys liked our intro. That was Frances's idea. She comes up with all the best ideas. But today, we're going to talk about like 6 items that we sold on eBay. And there was one item that kind of shocked me. It's what the idea of the video is about today. Don't be afraid to ask for stupid prices for items, because sometimes you get it. And, you know, hey, you just swing for the fences and maybe you'll hit a home run. But the first item that we sold is what, Francis? We sold an RL Stine Fear Street book. The same lady that did the Goosebumps. We sold this. I want to say I paid like probably 75 cents for it, because we bought it at a kids assignment store, or we bought it from the kids book section of a local thrift store. How much did it sell for?
$8.95 free shipping.
$8.95 free shipping for that. Not too bad. It's going to cost like $3 and something to ship it, but still at the end of the day, we're going to make $5 hopefully on a book. These are the next item that we sold. It's a set of books, A Diary of a Wimpy Kid. I don't know nothing about being a wimpy kid. I was a tough kid. But somebody's going to get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 volume set of Wimpy Kid books. My kids only read strong kid books, but that's okay. These are pretty good too. How much did they sell for?
$12.50 plus shipping.
$12.50 plus shipping on top. The next item that we have here is something that is near and dear to my heart, literally right now. It is the American flag. We sold this. I sell a ton of flags. Anytime I find flags, I take them either to my booth or I take and put them on eBay. If it's brand new or in good shape, they typically go to eBay because they make more there. If it's something that's older and tattered, not like super bad, but like just like maybe a little discolored from time, people love those. There is a desire for people to buy those flags. They use them for decoration and stuff. I don't know if that's a violation of the flag code, but hey, you know what? There's a lot worse things going on in our nation now than, you know, people admiring an old tattered flag. But how much did this sell for?
$26 plus shipping.
$26 plus shipping. God bless America. Hello, hello, hello. Is there anybody in there? I don't know. But we sold a Pink Floyd cassette tape. That's pretty cool. What's your favorite Pink Floyd song, Megan?
Wish You Were Here. It's one of my all-time favorite songs, actually.
Brick in the Wall, Money, and yeah, Wish You Were Here was a really, really good one. There's tons. Comfortably numb, yeah.
It's actually my alarm for in the mornings.
Yeah, because it wakes you up real slowly.
It's like soothing.
Yeah, but that's an awesome cassette tape. How much did it sell for?
$12 plus shipping.
$12 whole plus shipping. So people don't be sleeping on cassette tapes. I sell a lot of cassette tapes. A lot of the old rock stuff, they're just getting hard to find, you know. And CDs. Don't be sleeping on CDs. You know that 8 million more CDs sold last year than like the previous year. Like, now here's the deal. CD sales have dropped off like 96% from the high. So there's a lot of room to go up. But I think one of the next items, Francis, one of the next items will be CDs. I think that they're going to go up like records. Not through the roof, but if you are buying CDs now and you're putting them back, I think some of the old classic rock, like 90s rock, anything rap, anything in good shape, anything still sealed, it's worth putting away in your vault, put in a little box, stick it in your shed or your closet, and one of these days you'll pull that Tupac or whatever out, and it's going to be factory sealed, and you're going to be like, man, that's like $30 or $500. I don't know. What's the next item that we sold, Francine?
Well, we have some comics that are actually at home.
So. Yeah, we sold some comic books that are at home. I need to finish that whole lot up. I have some comics that I bought in a deal, and I've been sorting them and I need to bring them home. They were Hulk.
Yeah, World War Hulk.
World War Hulk. Number 5 and then 2 other Hulk comics with it. And how much did they sell for? We'll put it right here.
$30 plus shipping, it looks like.
$30 plus shipping for comic books that aren't even old. They're old. I guess they're old because, like, here's my problem when I buy stuff, like, from the, like, early 2000s. I'm like, early 2000s ain't that long ago. But it's, like, 20 years ago. We're old, Francis.
I know.
We are old. We are old. Officially old. What's that next item that we sold, Francine?
Well, before we do the expensive item, we'll do this. It's from the other account, but
Oh, we sold a St. Louis Cardinals cookbook. Ozzie Smith is teaching you how to make his ribs, and Vince Coleman's teaching you how to freebase crack cocaine. I'm going to lose subs for that comment, but it's funny. Anyways, it's a St. Louis Cardinals. I find myself to be way too funny, people. St. Louis Cardinals cookbook. How much did it sell for?
I sold it for $19 plus shipping.
She sold it. That's hers. $19 plus shipping.
$19.88.
$19.88. Vince Coleman, I hope you're doing good, brother. Okay, the final item that we have here is the item that I was telling you guys about earlier. I seen this and I go, ooh, that look good, girl. That look real good. So I bought it. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to list it for a stupid price because it ain't stupid valuable. Would you have think that would have sold for what we got for it? No, but I said, you know what? Old Johnny's going to put a big old price on that and someone's going to buy it because it's going to look great in someone's kitchen. And what we sold is this really nice little recipe book holder. Hit me with that recipe book over there, Francis. See, what you do is you have one of these sitting in your kitchen, and you got one of them grandmas that like to bake the cookies. They open it like this, and it sits in the kitchen, and you don't have to touch it and get your fingers, get your cookbook all dirty. Or you could put it like in a, like for like a wedding, like a wedding people could sign it. Or like funeral homes, or like you could preach a small sermon. Repent! Repent! See, it works good for a lot of things. And I think that's everything. I'm definitely losing subs today. People are like, religion and talking about drug use? We can't have no part of this. We're going to go watch Harry Tornado and his awesome golden retriever that ain't...
We have a golden retriever.
But he's mean. He's horrible. We have a horrible golden retriever. He sniffs and licks.
He's adorable, but he's weird.
He's adorable. He's a licker, though. Like, he wants to lick everything. I don't get it. He just licks the cats and licks the other dogs and wants to lick my ears. And I'm like, no, Cooper, no. But, hope you guys enjoyed this part of the video.
You didn't even tell people how much this sold for.
Oh, shit. Well, before we go, I guess I better tell you how much that sold for because my ADHD kicked in and I start processing the universe outside of what we're talking about. I ramble is what I'm trying to say. This item here sold for, give me a drum roll, Megan. That's not very good. That's the worst drum roll. You could have done a drum roll on the table. There we go. It's over $100, people. Can you believe that? $100 for this wooden stand. I know several of you guys are going out into your woodworking shops right now, and you're going to start making stands, and you're going to sell them on eBay for $100. You heard that from Johnny. So Johnny gets a commission. I want 10% of all the wooden stands you sell. Okay, guys, while Megan was packaging stuff, and I was absolutely doing nothing other than watching her, we sold another item. We sold a Cinderella doll. Look how awesome she is. She's absolutely beautiful. And she sold for $24.95 plus a little shipping on top. So it was like $35 and some change shipped. That was an absolutely sweet pickup. I think I bought her at auction for like $3 or $4. So don't be sleeping on Cinderella. That's Snow White's job. Okay, guys, I got a couple comments I'm going to read from my last video, and one is from Rose Red, which is my Aunt Rosie, my favoriteest person in the whole wide world, besides my wife. What about
your kids?
Well, I don't know, maybe not the kids, because the kids just take my resources, and she doesn't. So she says, always love your videos. And you know what? She comments on my videos and watches my stuff. My kids couldn't care less. New Gaming Chair said, I'm here for one of my favorite shows, New Gaming Chair. You are one of my favorite human beings, too, because you have an insight to the universe that most people don't have. Entropy Fan says, damn straight, My Chemical Romance equals best band ever. And look what I'm wearing today. My Chemical Romance shirt, so it works out, buddy. It works out. You, me, and you. Someone, the resale room, I had asked a question in the video about what pope was the pope in like 19 something, and he said Pope Pius X, and I think that was right. It was either X or some other Roman numeral. David Dickerson said it was Pope Francis the Third, and nope, that wasn't it. And my aunt, once again, because she watches all the video, because she's awesome, she said Pope Pius the X. So I'm going to say that that's right. So it's like Malcolm X, and we got Pope Pius the X. And he's an OG Catholic. You don't mess around with him. So that's going to be the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you would, you can go, and if you look, there is a little button on the page that if you see that button right there, it says subscribe. Well, my wife is already subscribed to me, so bonus points for her. But if you want to be in that elite club, that elite of elite YouTube watchers, the My Chemical Romance Johnson Hood gang, then hit that subscribe button. And that's all I got to say for you. You guys have a good day, and happy Thanksgiving, and hey, Merry Christmas. Hello, hello, hello. Is there anybody in there?